Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me HP Color LaserJet Pro m252dw, and now I'm gonna show you how to change and how to set up the sleep mode on this device. Set up the sleep mode. Firstly, you should open settings. Then in settings you should open system setup. In system setup, choose energy settings. And here we have sleep, auto off, after, shutdown, after, and delay shutdown. So firstly we should choose sleep auto off. So configurates the sleep mode, so it helps us to configure the time delay before the printer enters sleep mode to conserve energy. So this is useful in reducing power consumption when the printer is idle. So you might set a shorter delay in an environment where the printer is not frequently used, and a longer delay is in when it's in a busy office. For example, 1 hour if you want to use it in busy office. And cool, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.